Hey everyone, check out the BAOYOUNI collapsible clothes drying rack with its convenient three-tier design, perfect for drying baby clothes, socks, towels, and more. This rack features a 360-degree rotating design and towel bar buckles to keep everything secure even on windy days. Its collapsible and portable structure saves space when not in use and fits neatly into any corner indoors or outdoors. Made from durable stainless steel composite pipe with ABS and PP materials, this rack offers excellent stability with its three-legged base. Assembly is a breeze and requires no tools, plus instructions are included for quick setup. Lightweight and easy to carry, this drying rack is also great for travel or small living spaces. Enjoy a practical and versatile solution for drying your family's laundry efficiently and safely. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.